Hello, Professor Regina, and to the ReMar review. So I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Nikita, and I am located in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. And I used the ReMar review to help me pass my NCLEX exam. So I officially wrote my final attempt on October 27, 2023 in Vancouver. And so a little bit of my background story. I did the 4-year program in Edmonton, Alberta at Grant MacEwan University, 4-year program, but with the death of my brother and my great-grandma in my second year, I extended my program to finish it in 5 years. And so I graduated in January 2018. So that was a little bit before COVID. And when COVID happened, it took a toll on me. I actually wrote the exam. I passed on my 8th time. A lot of heartache, discouragement. I stopped believing in myself. I lost hope in myself. I didn't think I was capable of passing. So a little bit of the resources I did, I asked for help. I turned to anyone who could help me. So I did UWorld, Empowerment, RN. I did UWorld. What else did I do? Nursing.com and any other resources that I could find. Listen to Marquet lectures. So 7th time. It was just a long journey indeed. So I did lose hope. So what happened is that I had to fly to Vancouver, which is in a different province too, right? Because Vancouver offers an extended time. So I had till December 31st of this year to pass my exam. And I was lost. I was like, what do I do? I felt like I went through every single resource I could that was possible until I encountered ReMar, which I found on TikTok. So TikTok introduced me to Regina, Professor Regina, and I believe I got the program with the deal, the package of 3 months with the workbook, and I just started doing that. And I think the biggest thing that Regina taught me to have throughout my journey of studying was believing in myself. So I couldn't be more grateful because I lost hope. I was in a dark place. I was like, this is my last attempt probably. What am I going to do? And while I was studying, all that was in my head, I am smart, I am capable, I can do this. And when I wrote my exam, it was probably one of the toughest moments of my life. It was 5 hours, but you know what? I never gave up. Even though with everything behind me, the lowest points of my life, I didn't let that affect me. I went in with a clear mind. I kept reinforcing what Regina told me, is that I'm gonna pass. And you know what? I found out the next day I did pass. So I came back home to my friends and family as a registered nurse. And I still can't believe it. I'm in shock, but I thank you so much to Professor Regina, to the ReMar family. I passed the NCLEX, next generation with ReMar, and I couldn't have been more grateful for everything that you guys have done. The program itself, the review has instilled so much hope in me. It made me believe in myself and that I was capable of passing one of the hardest exams, and I did, and I couldn't have been more grateful. So I thank you so much, Professor Regina. I loved your videos. I looked forward to going home and studying with you, learning, because there's so much tips that I learned that I previously didn't learn, information that I really needed to know. So all of that information was reinforced into my head when I was writing my exam. I had you with me. I had your faith with me. My faith in you and God just grew, and with me it's going to carry on, because for me it's never giving up, and that's something in the past about 4 years is never giving up in myself, and I want to take that forward going on now in my nursing profession as a practice, as never giving up. We have beautiful lives in our hands, and I just want to make a difference just like you and your team have done. And I couldn't have been more grateful for choosing the ReMar family to help me. I'm gonna get emotional, but thank you so much. Because of you, I am a registered nurse. I passed, and I am so grateful for you, Regina, for creating a program that has helped so many individuals, nurses, aspiring nurses around the world, and you are simply amazing. God sent. I love you. Thank you so much, and I have passed my exam. Thank you so much with your review. I get to practice and pursue my dream now of becoming a registered nurse. I couldn't have been more grateful, so thank you from the bottom of my heart. Take care. Bye.